This is the Hello World Podcast. Three things that really showed your immediate adoption or adaptation in this new normal.
I think the first one was to stop and take a breath and think. It's kind of I realized pretty soon, and I was lucky that way, that what was required was to sit back and say, okay, the world's changed, and everyone was talking about the new normal, and everyone was talking about, but it was, what does that mean to me? What environment am I now in? How does that affect me directly? So, and identifying that. Now that sounds pretty straightforward and simple, but in sales, unless you know what a customer's problems are, you can't sell to them. So I had to apply those rules to myself. Mm-hmm. And then once I kind of understood what was going on, was, okay, what is my response going to be to the particular problems that I've identified for myself? And the problems were, you need to make money. And I'm a salesperson, so I needed something to sell, right? Yeah. And so the obvious ones were my skills, mm-hmm. right? Being able to talk about what I've learned. Another thing that I wanted to do was to help. One of the things I've done in the past with companies is help them open up new territories or help them with new products in new territories. So in addition to selling my skills, was reaching out to companies and helping them bring their product into markets such as the Philippines. So it was, what's the problem? How does that adapt to myself? How do I now apply that? And I had to draw on skills that I didn't have. So, for instance, marketing is something I'm not naturally good at. I'm good at one-to-one like we're doing now. Marketing is a whole different issue. And so it was adapting, it was identifying. It's the same as, I guess, running a business, being able to say, what are the problems I've got? You can't fix a problem unless you know what that problem really is. So there was a lot of analysis. And that took a good 3 or 4 weeks to just sit there and think that through very carefully.
Hi. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.